Hello roomies, welcome to my channel. If you clicked on this video, like me, you've had trouble putting together the back of the IKEA MALM Dresser. So I'm going to show you how to do this the correct way. Here's the picture in which I was confused on what in the world was going on. And I'm actually a visual learner. So 1, it looks like they're putting in a screw. 2, they're putting on the middle plate. But then 3 shows the plate upwards when it should be downwards. It confused the hell out of me. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So the first thing you're going to do is put in your screw. Now, I'm actually using a drill, but you can actually use a regular Phillips head screwdriver to put this in. I think it'll actually be easier than using drill. As you can see, I'm actually struggling. So you're going to put in your screw, and then next you're going to grab your metal plate and make sure it's turned the right way with the smaller hook side towards the screw. I don't know how to properly say that the right way, but anyway. So you're going to put that over the screw and then you're going to tighten it in. So when you first put the screw in, make sure it's not all the way tight because you want to be able to put the metal plate on it. And then you're going to screw it all the way in very tight. And once you do that, you're going to twist the metal plate 180 degrees so that it's basically upside down. All right, now that you have it that way, you can use a drill, because you will need a drill for this part, to take a nail and drill the metal plate into the back part of the dresser. So that first screw was going into the front of the dresser. Now you're going to screw another nail with a drill into the back part of the dresser. You're going to do this for all 3 or all 6, depending on what dresser you got. You're going to do this for all of the pullouts that come with the set. And again, I found those directions to be a little bit confusing, so I decided to make this video showing you how it's done for us visual learners. I'm going to show you one more time. So here I'm using a Phillips head screwdriver to put the nail into the front part of the dresser. With this part, I think using the Phillips head screwdriver would be easier than using the drill. All right, now that the screw is halfway screwn in, is that a word? I'm going to put the metal plate over the screw, tie it as tight as I possibly can while being able to rotate the metal plate. So here it wasn't tight enough. I had to go back in and screw it just a little bit more tighter. All right. And now I'm going to twist the screw or the plate 180 degrees and use the drill to screw it in the back. Now, if again you clicked on this video because you could not figure this part out and you needed some more visual assistance, be sure to comment or like this video if this video helped you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell if you want to stay tuned for any uploads that I do as relates to home decor or DIY projects. Thank you for watching.